So I'm recording. Look at those weird looking clouds off to the west, like below everything. It just stopped raining. There's no rain on the radar. Why is it raining? Oh yeah, we're about to get a heavy wind gust here. I'm gonna walk down the road a little bit. Oh yeah, look at them clouds. A wall cloud could drop out of that any minute. Just look at that. Really? Well, look at those clouds down there. They're coming up right towards us. Why is it raining? Oh my god. Say Cambridge, that's cool. My batteries are at half already. You freaking kidding me. I have 24 minutes till my batteries die. Good. Look at that shelf cloud. I know, Alex told me. Oh man. I don't know why my dad has to get so hyper. Ooh, look at this shelf cloud forming to the southwest. Look at this. Are you looking at it? Hey, Alex, are you looking to the southwest? That's weird looking. That one creepy looking cloud, isn't it? You see that shelf cloud forming? Oh yeah, lightning to the southwest. I didn't. Oh man, this is great. I keep stuttering. Don't know why. We could go under a tornado warning. I mean, these clouds are just weird. Hey, you want to see some weird looking clouds?
Oh yeah. What do you call them?
I don't remember.
Well, there's wind in that.
I think a wall cloud could form out of that any second. If you see something rotating, it's probably a wall cloud.
Well, look at them clouds down below there. Watch them.
Yeah, that's a wall cloud trying to get going. That one right there. Look, Alex, there's a wall cloud. You see it? It's in the west.
Can you see any of that? Probably it'd be hard to see down.
Look at the shelf cloud above it.
You watch them little clouds over there.
I'm watching that one lowering. Look at that green sky down there. It's coming. Where that green is, that's where the hail is, most likely.
Probably.
This is insane looking. Oh my god, look at this. South is getting... Oh wow, lightning in the south, in the west, everywhere, in the west. God. There's a kid out playing, he needs to get in. People need to watch the weather. Oh yeah, it's gonna start pouring here in a minute. Wall cloud kind of disappeared.
Down the edge of the house and look north.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I've seen the southwest, the west, everything but the northwest. There's Mamadas clouds trying to form. Look at that. If we don't go under tornado warning, it's gonna be ridiculous.
Starting to rain. Hail will be up there in June.
That'd be about where we were the last chase we went.
Yeah, but it's darker up north. Towards Newcastle, didn't you think?
Yeah, it looks it, but the green is where the heavy hail is. Look at that.
Newcastle's getting hit by hail.
Huh, we're about to get it then. Be ready for hail.
Connersville's got a bowl.
Well, look at this right here.
Man, that's wicked looking. We had one that had a point on it. It was down, but it pulled right back up.
I had a wall cloud trying to form. I think it's right over us now. It has to be. Look at the green in the southwest. I think it's right over me. It is. Oh man, it's getting ready to cross into Wayne right now.
Pretty intense. You might want to shut that sliding door.
Oh man, I haven't seen him that green in a while. You hear that? You hear the wind? Listen to the wind. That's the wind. Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God.
Get in here.
Shut the sound off, TV. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh man, you're about to get it. You better get in. Get inside.
Get inside, Alex.
Get inside. This is bad. Oh my God, the shingles on the house across the street flew off.
Yep, the garage.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's coming off the garage.
Oh man, we got damage everywhere. Debris.
There goes the basketball. There goes the goal.
Yeah, no,
Oh man, we got everything blown down. The house across the street's falling apart.
yeah, the shingle. What about ours?
No, not.
The mailbox over there is rotated.
Ours. Hey, we got rotation.
That little kid over there, get in.
But he's trying to get his toys.
Oh man. You hearing this? No. It's just wind.
Connersville trees, look at that. Yeah, there's Connersville. Trees are down Connersville.
That is insane.
What do you hear it coming? there's no lightning. You know, all these storms. You hear that?
Oh, that's what I told Nate. I said, listen to that.
Hello? You getting the heavy wind yet?
You getting the wind?
He's finally getting it.
It's
We
not
got-
like a tornado out here.
We got debris everywhere.
Yeah. Picking up her. What's she picking up?
She picked up a shingle and it blew out her hand.
She's locked out. Oh. We ever spotted funnel cloud in Canby. Wherever Canby is. So there was funnel. Wherever Canby is,
That's not Cambridge, it's a different town.
I know it's Canby, C-A-M-B-Y. They had a funnel cloud. We almost had one out here.
Hello? Hello? Ah, dang it. Alex's power went out.
Really?
Yep, it's out.
Cincinnati was looks like looking at hit some work.
Yeah, there's a lot of lightning. Hello? What happened?
Our stupid neighbor's going to get gas. He got his gas can going. Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
Well, it's not even crossed into Wayne County.
It's not even in Wayne County yet.
No.
No, it's not even in Wayne County
No,
yet.
it's still just the edge.
Messed up.
It's just right out west of Dublin, according to that.
I hear sirens. They're not. Oh, look at that wall cloud.
That's not tornado.
And the heavy wind. wind and now the rain's coming.
Yeah, I think it's good, I think.
Yeah.